Who is Joy? Your name is Joy. Iluko. Joy Iluko. Who is by that name? What's your name?
Joy Iluko.
Step back. Sir?
It's my daughter. It's my daughter.
I saw a place like Awoyemi. Yes. Where are you from?
Awoyemi.
Are you here alone?
No, sir.
Is this your dad?
Yes.
Who else is here with you?
My mom.
Do you know anybody called Queen?
Yes, she's my mom.
Queen?
Yes, sir.
She's here?
Yes, sir.
Who else is here? Come. If you are connected to these people, come. I saw God doing something. Young lady, I see the power of God coming upon you. Because I was seeing a child.
Yes, sir.
I was seeing a child. I was seeing the letter M.
Yes, Mizita.
Huh?
Mizita.
Whose child is that?
That's my daughter.
Your daughter.
Yes, sir.
I want to pray for you. Now, do you know a place like Imadiate?
Yes, Imiadete.
What is that?
Imiadete. That is where I'm married.
Because I was looking at around August.
Yes, sir. That is August 3. That was the day he paid for my dowry.
The hand of God is going to come on your family. Why was I seeing a set of twins?
Yes.
My twins.
Sir?
It's my twins.
Your twins?
Yes. Did you know what to the Joy Iluko? The last born.
Where's Christina?
One of the twins.
Huh?
Twins.
One of the twins?
Yes, sir.
It's Christabel.
Yes, the other one.
Who's Grace? You girl wearing white. What's your name? Grace.
Yes, sir.
Why am I looking for Benjamin?
Benjamin is at home. Obe. He did not come. He's at home.
There's somebody called Benjamin.
Yeah, it's my son.
Can I pray for your family?
Yes, sir.
God is bringing this family out of a cage.
Amen. Amen.
That lady behind, the one wearing black. Who is she to you, sir?
It's my junior sister.
Come. Who is Christiana?
My sister, my elder sister.
Stand this way. Now, I want to decree on your life. They have cheated you in life. And they have restricted you. But that power, as I'm praying for you too. Anything they've stolen from you shall be restored. And sir, your family is coming out of the cage.
Amen.
A prophecy for one is a prophecy for all. Come out of the cage.
Amen.